The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you know. And I'm just going to say this, you know. To all motorists out there, take your time on the road. Speeding is dangerous. You see me? Even though one of the vehicles that I'm going to talk to you about, you know, is the kind of vehicle that sometimes have to make haste in order to save persons' lives out there, you know. And that vehicle has a siren, you know, and the light that flashes and so forth. But, you know, I'm going to explain to you what I'm talking about. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, there's a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video shows of an accident where a taxi and an ambulance had collided. You see me? Now, according to what has been said on social media about this video is that this incident had happened right at the intersection of North Street and East Street of the parish of Kingston, that is of the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, according to what has been said on social media is that no lives had been lost, you know. I do not have any confirmed information as to if anyone had been injured, nor do I have any information as to when this had happened. Now, this video is out on social media, you know, and when it comes on to, you know, motor vehicle accidents and so on, you know, there is a certain question that persons out there sometimes ask, you know, who was wrong? Right? Now, I do not have any information as to who is at fault, but however, I'm going to present this video to you, and maybe by watching this video, you might get an understanding as to who is at fault. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you right about now, but please bear in mind that this video shows of, you know, a two-vehicle collision, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Oh, sir. Ambulance man, I try to save a life to right it and get liquor and turn over, guys. Overturn at the intersection of North Street and East Street. So who run the light? Who run the light? Why ambulance are come that way, yeah? Oh, ambulance are come down. So ambulance are come from that side there. I must come from that side and lift the ambulance and turn it over. Big green light and man around like him mad the ambulance. So other side of the ambulance are coming from? The ambulance, my youth, you take time go here, telephone and go to the ambulance. You're upon the emergency. Are you that driver? My car. You know what I'm saying, man. No man, no emergency, dog. Driver. So I drive for the taxi.
Ambulance are come straight. I don't know around.
So are the taxi driver have the green?
Yeah, that's so.
And the ambulance run?
Look like a dumb, the ambulance are come.
Yeah man, I don't man, I'm a go. What, the ambulance?
Yeah.
Oh.
The ambulance are come from.
Police arrive on the scene. Police arrive on the scene. The camera, the camera.
Yeah, camera there so them can run by the camera and
So I
know.
don't know who rank from who there. No, I never
Well, the greatest thing, nobody not lose them life.
Somebody in the ambulance? Somebody in the ambulance?
I drive alone, it look like. But not lose them life. Well, ambulance are right off, brother. Cha. Mush up, man. Yeah, man, a brand new ambulance, this one. Clean and pretty too.
All the man didn't have nobody now. I'm not easy and drive slow.
But him say him get an emergency. So, I don't even know, cause I sit down there and I'm here blooping and I just call everybody and say, yo, something get turned over. Just by the effect of my ear, I know say something.
And when me hear boom, you say yes.
Wow. Well. This bright blue light will kill me.
I see it, you know?
I'll stop like get liquor too. Hey man, see they stop like gone. See Ed I stop like there. I stop like see that one it look like. Good thing nobody never in an ambulance still. Emergency vehicle and a taxi collide. Oh, fuck no. Taxi them are going wrong. Taxi man say him have the green, brother. That the taxi man say him have the green. Yeah. Try emergency vehicle. Ambulance at that to say man get wrong. More cops come in. Greatest thing nobody not lose them life, so you know. I still have to tell him, I'm still down at the yard and I say, yo, that overturn, you know. So if I hear the explosion, I know say, yo, something overturn. Blue light that kill me. Black no man black out the place now.
Like it's a show me I watch, man. Live. Like
you see it live?
Live. I back where me I walk to come down here. Because I see when the thing fly around.
So Kaya, so who will have the green?
Alright. The same time me look, when time the accident just happen, I mean look down here.
Yeah, man, me I walk come down the road, I never see me. I walk going to Janty and I reach a rubbish.
Yeah, man.
Me see close up, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, taxi man have been
Yeah, but ambulance up. Yeah, but I'm sorry. Now come on in the side.
So one girl get injured in her car?
Them not get injured. Two girls in there.
Yeah, them sure them just suppose them just speed gone. Yeah, gone with them hospital, gone.
Look like them have money with them.
Nobody in a white car, the girl them gone.
Them come out of the taxi
And
and that.
policeman gone with the man who drive that.
Yeah.
So them gone take another taxi to go with them.
Oh, them gone with the driver for this. Like them say wrong already.
No man, hospital them rush them, so I saw them rush him gone. Hospital, yeah.
No, I did have them taking them go so with him. And the white car go so.
Oh, okay. Nah, like speeding. Oh, Jesus, yo. I'm going with the taxi man. Man, so a different car this one.
Well, it could have been worse.
Yeah, it could have been worse. So.
Somebody could have hit me and it go worse than that. So, the man like
Oh Lord. How going you?
I'm just going and I must be on job for door. I'm going to bloop bloop.
So I sit down and hear the big collider and I say, yo, something turn over.
Why isn't that
and I know I'm lick that, brother.
It flip.
Yeah.
It flip. For me, lick it flip.
Oh my God. You think that's the one that made us say, yeah.
Wow.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.